Hi guys, Tim with Kaizink here with a quick improvement video improving our recruiting efforts using LinkedIn. So anybody can get a LinkedIn account for free. It's pretty easy to sign up. Once you've signed up, you'll look up here to jobs and you'll see right here that you can post a free job. When we go ahead and click that, it's going to allow us to put in our information. It's a little slow. All right, so it's actually auto-filled from the last job I posted. Outside sales representative, Kaizink, on site in the greater Phoenix area, full-time. So I can start my job post. And I have it's showing here my description that's already auto-filled from the last post I had. You can add skills that you're looking for. So whether we're looking for sales folks or customer service, graphic design, production, we can create a posting that gets sent out to our LinkedIn network and can be liked and shared across the LinkedIn platform. Right here you can put in your salary information, you can do a range, and then you go ahead and hit next. I'm going to go ahead and have them send it to my Kaizink email instead of my personal email. You can put in your requirements, so we're going to go ahead and require a driver's license because salespeople need to be able to get around the city. And they need to go ahead and be authorized to work in the United States. And I'm going to select this to reject anybody who doesn't have these two minimum qualifications, driver's license and authorized to work in the U.S. Now from here, you can go ahead and there is an option to promote it, but we want to go ahead and do free. Now I already have one up, so it doesn't allow me to select it as a free because you can only post one free posting at a time. But you would have a button right here that you click to post a free job, and that's how easy it is to post a opportunity on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.